I'm Brad Heimbigner. We'll take good care of you here at Klahanie Chevron Service Center. I'll tell you more in a minute.
You put the key in your car's ignition, you turn it, and then nothing. Your car won't start. What's wrong? The reasons for a car not starting are more numerous than you might think. Let's take a look at the possibilities. The first thought everyone might have is that you have a low or dead battery. If upon it failing to start, you notice that you left your headlights or a dome light on, a dead battery would be a good guess. If you get a clicking sound while trying to start, this usually indicates battery problems. Related problems might include poor maintenance that has led to corrosion on the battery cables and connectors. If your car is silent when turning the ignition, check the cables and connectors. If it cranks but won't turn over, you might have a problem with fuel getting to the spark plugs. The fuel pump or a clogged fuel line might be your problem. If it starts but quickly dies and is a fuel injection engine, you need to see us, your automotive professionals. A broken starter, a dead alternator, a clogged exhaust or catalytic converter are all reasons for your car not starting. It could also be a $150 fuse that is easily replaced by just about anybody. If it is, you probably still need to tow your vehicle to your automotive professionals to test the other systems before coming to this inexpensive solution. Unfortunately, by that time, it's probably no longer inexpensive.
I'm Brad Heimbigner. I operate the Klahanie Chevron Service Center. Our full-service station has been here since Klahanie became a community.
I'm Dave, the service manager. We have 5 repair bays to service your vehicle, and they're manned with ASE certified technicians.
We're located in the Klahanie QFC Shopping Center.
We're open 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.
See you soon.